Hello everyone, and thank you for stopping by. This is a fireplace insert and stove glass safety warning. These all can be a great asset to any home, but glass caution must be used. I often get asked, why do I have a screen in front of the glass? We all know that glass fronts can become extremely hot and not to touch, but accidents do happen, and if you have a young one in the home, extra caution has to be used. Unlike an open fire, the extreme heat is not felt until the glass is touched, which can lead to serious and irreversible burns. Next, this may occur. I happened to be in the room when this happened. No, nothing hit the glass, inside or out. This can also happen when the glass gets extremely hot and wet wood is being used, or maybe a little snow falls off your glove when adding wood. The wood I was using was dry, but there must have been at least one log that has some moisture trapped under the bark. Either way, this can lead to a disaster. Use your discretion and common sense. By using a screen, it can provide an added level of safety against a fire or burn. Well everyone, this is a wrap. If you enjoyed or found this video useful, post your comments down below, give it a like, and pass it along. And if you haven't done so already, subscribe. I appreciate every one of your subscriptions. Until next time, stay safe.